Hello everyone, this is Janaki, your online professor. So as you have seen the title, yes, today in this video we are going to discuss about BJT and why is it named so. So to start with, let me tell you what is BJT. You may be knowing what is BJT. It is nothing but bipolar junction transistor. Yes, why it is called as bipolar junction transistor? Why it is named so? So let me start with bi. Bi means it is 2. Bi represents 2. What is 2 in this? Next, let us see about polar. What is the meaning of polar? Here polar represents the polarity. Polarity is nothing but positive polarity and negative polarity. That means conduction is because of both positive and negative polarity. Conduction of current is because of positively charged holes as well as negatively charged electrons. So that is why it is called as bipolar. Two types of polarity. Positively charged holes also will constitute for the current flow. Negatively charged electrons will also constitute for the current flow. And the junction, this bi word is common for both polarity and junction. If you see the construction of a transistor, let me draw the transistor constructional details of the transistor. As you can see here, it will be having 3 layers. That was, let us say that this is an NPN transistor. That there will be emitter region, base region and collector region. And if you see, there are 2 PN junctions formed in the transistor J1 and J2. So that is the name bipolar junction J1 and J2. There are 2 junctions available in the transistor. That is the meaning of the junction. So the bi word will be common for polar and junction. That means the conduction is because of both positively and negatively charged particles, as well as in the device, in the construction of the transistor, there will be 2 junctions present, J1 and J2 present in the transistor. So that is why it is called as bipolar bijunction. Now coming to transistor. What is the meaning of a transistor? Transistor is nothing but transfer of resistance. That is the expansion for transistor. Transfer of what? Transfer of resistance. So how the resistance is transferred? Resistance is transferred from input side to the output side. Transferred from input side of the transistor to the output side of the transistor. And at the input side, that is at the input side, the resistance of the transistor will be high, and at the output side the resistance of the transistor will be low. That means resistance is transferred from high level to low level, high to low. So that is why it is called as a transistor. Hope you have understood the naming convention of the transistor, bipolar junction transistor, and why it is called so. Yeah, thank you.